In this video, we are going to learn about various text functions in Excel 2019, which includes upper, lower, left, right, proper, concat, exact, dollar, etc. Now we will see one by one. Our first formula is lower function. See, this lower function in Excel is used to convert the capital letters, that is uppercase letters, into lowercase letters. The syntax of lowercase function is equal to lower of text string, that is A3. The capital letters are converted into small letters. Now you can apply this formula to all the cells using fill handle by double click on this, or you can drag also. Now our next formula is upper function. See, this upper function is used to convert the small letters into capital letters. Write your formula, that is equal to upper of text string, that is C3. See, the lowercase letters are converted into uppercase letters. Now, apply this to all. These two formulas are used to convert the lowercase to uppercase or vice versa, that is uppercase to lowercase. Now, if you delete C column, what happened we will see. See, if you delete this C column, what happened? Automatically the D column also deleted, because C column is the source for D column. In previous class we have already discussed about the importance of removing a formula. Now we will see that. Control Z. See. To remove a formula, just select the cells or range of cells which contained formula. How you know the cell contained formula? See, if you select this cell, it shows only text. If you select this one, it shows the formula. See. Now select the cells which contains formula and copy the cells. Again right click on the selected area, go to paste special and select values to remove the formula, and then click on OK. To deselect, use Ctrl plus D to deselect. Now check it. See, here you can find only text string instead of formula. So here now the formula is removed. If you delete C column, see, the D column remains same. Now we'll move to our next function, that is write function. See, this write function is used to retrieve the rightmost values in your text string. The syntax for write function is equal to write of your text, that is A3. What is the rightmost value? A is the rightmost value. Apply to all. See, it retrieves the rightmost value. See, here with the write function you have one more argument, that is number of characters. It decides how many number of characters to be displayed. See, for example, if you write comma 2, it displays 2 characters. If you write 3, it displays 3 characters. See, for example, I am inserting a blank space between Y and A. What happened? See, it displays 2 only. But the formula is A3 comma 3. It means it calculates space also. The space is treated as a character. Now the next function is left function, which is used to retrieve the leftmost values. It means the starting values of a text string equal to left of your text string, that is C3. The leftmost value is B. Here also you can add your argument with comma separator, comma 4 for example. See, it retrieves starting 4 characters from your text strings. It calculates the blank space also. See, with these two functions we can retrieve the rightmost values or leftmost values from a text string. The next function is proper function. The proper function sets the first character in each word to uppercase and rest to lowercase. See here, observe this A column. Here you have so many number of text strings, and every text string contains a mixture of small letters and capital letters. In this situation, the proper function is used to set in a proper way, that is equals to proper of text string, that is A3. Apply to all. See, it sets the first character of each word to uppercase. Rest of the words are in lowercase. Now, our next formula is trim function. See, the trim function or trim formula is used to remove the blank spaces before the text string and after the text string, and it leaves a single space between two words. Equal to, apply this, trim of text string, that is C3. See what happens? It removes all the blank spaces before the text string, after the text string, and leaves a single space between two words. And the next one is concatenate or concat function, which is used to merge multiple cells into one. It joins multiple, more than one text string into one. How we will see? Equal to, you can write concatenate or concat equals to concat of text string 1, comma text string 2, comma 3, comma text string 4. See what happened? It combines all the text strings into one. You can write ampersand operator also instead of comma. This is a second way to merge or combine multiple text strings. With the help of ampersand instead of comma also you can write. This is the first way. But here observe this, you don't have any space between words. If you want to add space between words, you have to add, we'll write again, equal to concat of text string 1, comma, instead of directly writing text string 2, you have to add inverted commas. Again comma, second text string, add 2 inverted commas again, comma, third one, comma, fourth one. See. Hit enter to apply. See, but here also you didn't find any space between words. Further, you have to add a space between two inverted commas. Here, if you add a space between inverted commas, it displays a space, or if you write any other characters, then it displays that character. See. Now I am going to add a character, that is slash symbol, instead of blank space. What happened we will see. See. Instead of space it displays slash symbol. Like this you can apply concat formula in different ways, which is used to add multiple text strings into one text strings. Now we will move for another function, that is exact function. See, this exact function compares two text strings and returns true value if both are same, or else it displays false value. How it works we will see. Equal to exact of first text string comma second text string. See, if both, that is text 1 comma text 2 are same, it displays true value, otherwise it displays false value. Apply to all. See, like this. If these both strings are same, then it displays true. And one more important thing is, exact is a case sensitive. It does not see whether it is in capital or in small. The next one is len function. The len function in Excel is used to count the number of characters in a text strings, which includes spaces also. Equal to len of text string, that is a D3. See, the total number of characters in this text string is 13. See, apply to all. So what is the use of this len? The len returns the number, that is count of characters in a text string. Now, the next function is dollar function. This dollar function is used to display a currency symbol before the number. See, equals to dollar of A3. What happens? See, it adds a currency symbol and two decimal values by default and a comma separator. See, apply to all. Here you have one more argument, that is number of decimals. By default it displays two decimal values. If you add 3, argument as 3, then it displays 3 decimal values. If you write 1, it displays 1 decimal value. See. Our next function is fixed function. Fixed function is used to rounds a number to a specified number of decimals. See, for example, here you have in first text string you have 5 decimal values, in next text string you have 4, next 5, next 5, like this. So you can fix these decimal values to a fixed number, that is equals to fixed of C3. For example, I am going to fix all decimals to 2, comma 2. So it sets to 2 and it adds a comma separator also. Here also you have one more argument, that is comma, true and false. See, true prevents commas and false do not prevent commas. For example, if you write true, so it removes commas. If you write false, it adds commas. This is default value. False is the default value. See, if you need any currency symbol before the number, or if you want to adjust the decimal values in your number range, you can add any of these dollar or fixed functions. Now our next function is repeat function, which is used to repeat the text strings to a number of times. Equals to rept is the function name and the text string is A3. What happens? See, you have to enter the argument, that is number of types. If you add comma 2, so it repeats to 2 times. If you add 3, it repeats the text strings to 3 times. Now Our next function is mid function. What is the use of this mid function? Mid function returns a specific number of characters from a text string starting at the position you specify based on the number of characters you specify. How? We will see. Equals to mid of text string, that is C3, comma, start number and number of characters. For example, I want OMP as an output. So O is the second character in the text string. So I'm going to write 2. 2 means that is the starting number, second character. And how many characters you want to display? OMP. So totally 3 characters. So you have to write the total number of characters you want to display. The first argument is starting number in a text string, and the second argument is number of characters from the text strings. So the output is OMP. See. If you want to display, for example, last 3 TER, so you have to write T is the 6th character in this text string. So you have to write 6th, comma 3. So it displays TER like this. Now see, here there are 2 more text functions, that is char function and code function. See, here the syntax is equals to char of number. See, number means this number is a number between 1 and 25, specifying which character you want. The character is a character set used by your computer. See, equal to char of A3. See, 89 is the code for Y character. See, you can find here ANSI character sets, that is 0 to 127. You have one more character set, that is ASCII character set. From that only it displays the char or code functions. See, next one is code. See, here code is the function which is used to display the code for that particular character. See, we will see equals to code of A, that is C3. So what is the code for A? Capital A is 65, capital B is 66, capital C is 67, like that. See, apply to all. So here small a starts from 97, ends with 122, and capital A starts from 65, ends with 90. Like this you can display computer understandable codes also. Now our last function in text functions is replace function, which is used to replace a part of a text string based on the number of characters you specify with a different text string, that is a new text string. So in this example, we are going to replace this second word, that is a junior to JR. How? We will see. Equals to text string, equal to replace of text string, comma, start number. So here we are going to change the second word junior. So what is the start number? GOVT, 4 characters plus 1, space, that is 5th character. J starts from 6th character, comma 6. So how many characters you want to change? Total junior word has 6 characters. So you have to write 6, comma 6, comma, and new text. What is the new text? That is JR. You have to write in inverted commas, bracket close, enter. See, apply to all. See, the junior is converted into JR. With this, we have completed all the text functions in Excel 2019. Thanks for watching this video.